Hi kids, today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic called caves. Let's first understand what are caves. Caves are forms of rock found in nature. It's a place in the ground or in the hill that is hollowed out. During primitive times, caves were used as shelter and scientists who study caves are called spelunkers. Today, we are going to learn about four types of caves. Ice caves. Some caves do not necessarily form in rocks. Glaciers or huge areas of ice that move over land can form ice caves. As water meets on the glacier surface, it flows into the cracks of the ice. The water then carves out caves beneath the ice. Next are the solution caves. Most often form in places where there is a type of rock called limestone. Limestone is a soft rock that dissolves or breaks easily in water. As water flows through small cracks in limestones, these cracks become larger enough for people to enter. And the next one are the lava caves. Caves may also be formed when melted rock called lava flows from volcanoes. The lava on the surface may cool while the lava beneath flows away, leaving a cave behind. Now, ocean waves sometimes form sea caves along the coast. The action of the waves removes soft rock and forms hollow space. Now, to make caves today, the material required will be white sheets, glue, scissors, paints, cotton, straws, brown paper bags, and sketch pens. What I'll do is, first of all, I'll take two white sheets. I will fold them both into half and I'll cut them into the halves. Then what I'll do is, I will get something like this, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold them further like this. So when I fold them, I will get 4 of these, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take Fevicol and I'm going to apply Fevicol on one side. So it will be like this, and I'm going to stick another side over this like this. So see, one I have done over here, one is over here, and now I'm going to put it all together. So again, what I'm going to do is, I'm again going to put Fevicol on one side and I'm going to paste one side here, and then lastly over here. So when I'm done with this process, the stand will look something like this. So this is our first step. So first I'm going to make ice caves. For that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take some cotton, dip it into blue paint, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dab it all over the sheet. So see, you can see I have done the one side and I'm doing another side. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to dab blue color all over the side, and then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take small pieces of cotton, roll them between my hands, and I'm going to paste them like this. You can directly paste them over the paint as the paint is wet, so it will stick really well, or either you can use glue as well. So like this, and for below, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a big chunk of cotton and I'm going to paste it below. So I'll put Fevicol like this, and I'll just simply paste cotton over here like this. So this is how my ice caves will look like. Next are solution caves. For that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a piece of any paper bag which is brown in color, and I'm going to crumble it between my hands. Once crumbled, what I'm going to do is, I'm again going to paste it over the sheet. You can see I have already done one side. So you have to do this step on both the sides, and I'm then going to paste it like this. And then I'm going to take my brown color sketch pen. You can take any color you like, and I'm going to draw some rocks on this like this. I'm making rocks over here, mountain type rocks. You can make rocks any type you like. So these are how the solution caves will look like. Next, I am going to make lava caves. So to lava caves, what I am going to do is, I have already cut out 2 rectangles from brown paper bag only, and again I am going to crumble them a little bit like this, and I am going to paste them, one on the top, one on below. So one I'll paste it over here. Now you know that lava caves have lava in them, and as to give the lava effect, what we are going to do is, we again are going to take some cotton. Now this time we are going to dip it in orange color, and you can dip it in yellow, red color as you like, and then you can fill the between part with yellow, orange or red paint as you can see. And for these, what you can do is, you can take another cotton, dip it into red color or brown color, and you can make rectangles like this. With sketch pen you can also make if you don't want to use paints. So this is how your lava caves will look like. Now the last one are called the sea caves. To now make the sea caves, again I'll use the cotton which I dipped it into blue paint, and first of all again I'm going to fill most of my sheet with blue paint like this. And now the interesting part. For this, what I have done is, I have taken few straws and cut each straw into 3 or 4 parts like this. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my Fevicol and I'm going to apply Fevicol on the first half like this. Make sure you put Fevicol in the right quantity, otherwise the straws won't stick. And now the fun part, we'll start making the caves with the help of a straw. So see, it's so easy and so fun to do. So we'll paste it like this. You can take straws and start putting them in the shape of a cave. And like this, another one maybe over here, little bit here. So see, this is how I'm just putting straws in so that it forms a cave. And you can cut straws according to the size you want. So if you feel that any straw is too big, I can cut it into even smaller size and put them in between. So when it is done, I'm going to take cotton, again put it into brown paint, and I'm going to just dab paint over the straws so that the straws are now visible. So now once it is done, it will look something like this. And what I have done is, I have taken blue sketch pen and have drawn sea waves in between so that the water looks like. This is how the sea caves will look like. So your cave structure will look something like this.